Tonight's field performance features the music of legendary composer John Williams, including music from Superman, Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, Star Wars, Indiana Jones, and the NBC Nightly News. Sound of Thunder officers include Band Colonel Blake Barnhill, Brass Captain Lucas Cuevas, and Keston Molsby, Woodwind Captain Ashley Barnett, Drum Captain Michael Thompson, Equipment Managers Alden Baird and Nathan Howell, and Administrative Assistants Kyle Swain and Ashley Rowe. The Director of Bands is Luke Hart. The Sound of Thunder staff includes Assistant Director Allison Munn, Silver Streaks Coach Jamie Conklin, Brass Technician Clement Duthale, and Woodwind Technician Jonathan Zero.
Just like